morning everybody. Welcome back to the online class. This is for the class 9 and we are going to start your chapter number first, that is the number system. Okay. So see here, before till 8th class we have studied so many kind of the numbers like natural number, whole number. So again we have to recall all kinds of the numbers. So that we will come to know actually what kind of the numbers are there, and after that basically in this particular chapter we have to study about the rational number, we have to study about the irrational number, and the combination of both, it is known as the real number. So we should know the basic of each and everything, and especially we have to talk about the irrational number. Why? Because till the 8th class we are knowing what is the natural number, what is the whole number, actually what is the rational number also we have studied in our 8th class. And we have studied about the so many different kinds of the operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, which were actually based on the rational number. And we have seen these particular operations also on the number line. We have also seen how we can represent the rational number on the number line, even how to represent the addition of the rational number also, that we have seen in our earlier classes, means I mean to say in class 8th. And even we are knowing so many other things also, means actually there are infinite rational number in between the two rational number. There are infinite rational number in between the two rational number, that we are also knowing. And how we can find out the many rational number. Sometimes the question is also asked, find the 3 rational number, 4 rational number in between 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 9. So we are knowing it also, means first we have to equalize the denominator, and after that we can find out how many rational numbers actually we want to find out in between the two rational numbers. And it all the things depends upon the equalization of the denominator. Another method also we are knowing, that is known as the average method also. So these all the things are already there in our mind, but still recalling is very much necessary, means again we have to recall all the things. So see here one by one. We are coming on the introduction part. Here I have drawn the actually the number line. Here I have drawn the number line, and it is drawn with the help of the, you can see, with the help of the line. Why? Because the length of the line, it can be increased in both the ways. We are not knowing, means when we are talking about what is the ending point, what is the ending point, so we can say it either it may be minus infinite, either it may be plus infinite. So right now see, this is the number line. We will come here also one by one. First is the natural number. When we are talking about the natural number, so natural number, it may be defined as, it is a simple counting number, and it always starts from 1. Okay, it always starts from 1, and starting from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the ending point will be, nobody can say what is the ending point, so generally we represent it with the help of the infinity. Infinity means countless. Oh, okay, so natural number, it is represented by the n, and these are the numbers which are starting from 1 and ending till the infinity. So that is all about the natural number. Second is the whole number, means these all are the positive numbers. These all are the positive numbers, and their starting point is 1. When you are also knowing what is the whole number. Whole number, it is represented by the W word, okay, capital word W. And actually the simple difference is there in between the natural number and whole number. Only we have to add 0 also. When we are including the 0 also in the number series of the natural number, so the new set of the number, it comes in front of us, and that is known as that is called as a whole number. So if you will see the natural number and whole number set of the numbers, so you will find only the difference is because of the 0. So you can say every natural number is a whole number. Yes. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes. Answer will be yes. Why? Because you can see all the numbers which are coming in the natural numbers, these are also coming in the whole number. But the reverse is not true. Reverse is not true, means you can't say every whole number is a natural number only because of the 0, because 0 is a whole number, but it is not coming in the natural number. So there are the two statements which are very necessary, which are coming here. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes, because whole number includes all the natural numbers. Okay, but either you can say every whole number is a natural number, opposite, every whole number is a natural number. No. Why? Because whole number, in the whole number 0 is also coming, and which is not coming in the natural number set of numbers. Okay, right now see the third things, integers. When we are talking about the integers, so see here actually what we have covered. We are right now coming to the number line. So see here, Actually we have covered 0 also, 1 also, 2 also, 3. Actually we have covered from 0 to all the points, which are coming to the infinity. From 0 to infinity actually we have covered when we are talking about the natural number and when we are talking about the whole number. And right now one particular thing it comes in our mind, means there are some kind of the numbers also which are negative. There are so many also numbers which are coming in the number line and these are negative. For example, -1, -2, -3, -4. So what these are called? So actually these are called integers. These are called integers. Not only the negative numbers are called integers, actually integers include both the things, all the three things. Integers include the negative whole number also, means all the numbers which are coming on the negative side, like -1, -2, -3, -4, these are also integers. 0 is also integer, and all the whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the natural numbers all are coming in the part of the integer in the whole soul sense. When I am going to talk about the integers, so one thing I have to keep in mind that it is including minus infinity. So all the minus whole numbers, and after that 0, and all the positive whole numbers. See here, integers actually it is represented by the letter Z. It is represented by the letter Z. Why it is represented by Z? Because Z is a German. Actually it has come from some particular kind of the German word. One German word is there. What is that particular word? Zählen. And the Zählen means to count. One German word was there. It was Zählen, and it meaning was that to count, means to count something, and that's why it is represented by the letter Z. And see here what I have written here. Integers means starting from the minus infinity, and after that all the negative numbers, all the negative whole numbers you can say, and after that -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means all the negative numbers. Okay, all the negative numbers which are not in form of the fraction, and all the positive numbers including 0, these all are coming under the integers. So again I am telling to you, every natural number is an integer. Yes. Every natural number is an integer. Yes, because it is including all the natural numbers also. Every whole number is an integers. Yes, because integers are including all the whole numbers also. But reverse is not true. Means you can't say every integer is a whole number. No, because when you are talking about the integers, so you are including the negative numbers also, and which are not coming in the whole number, because the whole number is going to start from 0. Every integer is a natural number. Again, no, wrong statement. Why? Because in the integers you can say negative numbers are also coming, which are not coming in the natural number. So these are the things. So this is meaning is that the things which are coming afterwards. What is the logic here? You are going to be confused in the statement. So what is the very basic things? आपको बस ये याद रखना है कि जो चीजें बाद में आती है ना, जो चीजें बाद में आती हैं उसको आप हर चीज बोल सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मैंने क्या बोला था, पहले नेचुरल नंबर आया, बाद में आया होल नंबर. सो मैंने क्या बोला, होल नंबर, एवरी होल नंबर इज अ नेचुरल नंबर. स्टेटमेंट वाज यस, क्योंकि जो चीज बाद में आती है वो पहले वाले को इंक्लूड करके चलती है. सेम लाइक दैट व्हेन द थर्ड थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट इज द इंटीजर. सो मैंने क्या बोला, एवरी इंटीजर इज अ होल नंबर. यस, क्योंकि इंटीजर होल नंबर को भी इंक्लूड करके चलता है. एवरी इंटीजर इज अ नेचुरल नंबर. अगेन यस, क्योंकि ये इसको इंक्लूड करके चलता है. लेकिन जो चीज पहले आ चुकी है वो दूसरे के लिए रॉन्ग है. जैसे मैं नेचुरल नंबर को होल नंबर बोल सकता हूं क्या? नो, क्योंकि होल नंबर बाद में आया है और इसमें एक एक्स्ट्रा चीज भी इंक्लूड हुई है जो नेचुरल नंबर में नहीं है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. ओके, एवरी होल नंबर, सॉरी, आप बाद वाले को पहले वाला नहीं बोल सकते. एवरी होल नंबर, एवरी नेचुरल नंबर इज अ होल नंबर. यस, एवरी होल नंबर इज अ इंटीजर. यस, but you can't say every whole number is a natural number. You can't say every integer is a whole number. You can't say every integer is a natural number. So these are the things. Right now see on the next set of number, that is the rational number. And actually this rational number we have also studied in our earlier class. Look here. Okay. What is the rational number? When we are talking about the rational number, so rational number is very easy. See here the definition. The number which can be written in form of P upon Q. the number which can be written in form of p upon q. कोई सा भी नंबर जो p upon q के फॉर्म में लिखा जा सकता है. When we are talking about p upon q, तो ज्यादा कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. p is the, it is in form of the fraction also you can say, where the p and q are integers. Where the p, q and q are integers, मतलब p और q integers होंगे. तो इंटीजर्स इसलिए इसको बोला जा रहा है क्योंकि इंटीजर्स में सब चीज शामिल है. मतलब ये पॉजिटिव होल नंबर भी हो सकते हैं, ये नेचुरल नंबर भी हो सकते हैं, और कोई निगेटिव नंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं. सो मीनिंग इज दैट -3/7 इट इज ऑल्सो अ रेशनल नंबर. यस, क्योंकि व्हाट वी आर इंक्लूडिंग हियर द इंटीजर वर्ड्स p and q, numerator and denominator, they are the integers. You can see if I am going to talk about the numerator, so what is the numerator right now? -3. What is the -3 right now? -3 is the negative integer, and that's why integer word is coming here. If I am going to talk about the denominator, what is the denominator here? 7. And what is the 7 actually? It is a positive integers. So any number which can be written in form of p upon q, where p and q they are representing the integers. Condition is true, either they may be the positive integers, either they may be the negative integers, either both could be positive, either both could be negative, matter is not at all. They are the integers, both the numerators and denominators, both the p and q, and the only condition is that q never should be equal to 0. q never should be equal to 0. अपन ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज q क्या है बेटा? डिनोमिनेटर है. q क्या है? डिनोमिनेटर है. When you are going to equalize the denominator 0, जैसे आपने डिनोमिनेटर को 0 बोल दिया, so that particular thing is not defined. 1/0 is defined? No, because we are not knowing what is the table of 0. 0 की टेबल ही अपने को नहीं मालूम है. So how we can say how many times it will be divided in the table of 0? How many times 1 is coming? We can't say. So इसकी वैल्यू जनरली हम लोग मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज में इनफाइनाइट लेकर के कंसीडर करते हैं और इसको अनडिफाइंड भी मानते हैं. And that's why the only condition is that q should be never equal to 0, denominator should be never equal to 0, and either both the integers, means it is including the integers in the numerator and denominator. Right now see, I have the so many examples. Example is also necessary here. For example, -25. -25 is a rational number or not? Yes. Why? -25 is a rational number or what? So आप बोलेंगे इसमें तो डिनोमिनेटर है ही नहीं. मीनिंग इज नॉट दैट. इफ इट इज द -25, so it can be written like -25/1. Again you have to match with the definition. This is the negative integer, this is also the negative integer, this is the positive integer. Denominator 1. Nothing is there in the denominator means you have to consider always 1. So it is written in form of p upon q. Yes, so it is an example of the rational number. Again see, if it is 0, so 0 is a rational number. Again yes, 0 is a rational number. Yes, why not? Because 0 can be also written 0/1. And you can see right now 0 and 1 both are what? 0 is a what? 0 is a any positive number. 0 is either positive or negative, because the integers are including the 0 also. So this you can say either it is positive integer, negative integer, no problem. And here 1 is also there. So it can be written in form of p upon q, where 0 and 1 both are representing the integer. Meaning is that it is also one example of the rational number. Right now see the next one, -7/9. -7/9, either it is a rational number or not. Yes, why not? It is also a rational number. This is a negative integer, this is the positive integer. So these are the things, and there are so many examples like 11/17. This is also a rational number. Yes, because it can be written in form of p upon q. Only the condition is that denominator should be never equal to 0. One more note is there that I want to tell you. There are infinite rational numbers between two rational number, that we are knowing. दो रेशनल नंबर्स के बीच में इनफाइनाइट रेशनल नंबर्स हो सकते हैं. There are the infinite rational numbers in between the two rational numbers, and that also I will tell you according to the exercise. In the next part we have to solve some exercise based on this. Thank you so much.